Bruce Lee. Remember him? He said something that stuck with me the first time I heard it. Empty your mind, be formless, shapeless like the water.
All around me are familiar faces, worn out places, worn out faces, bright and early for their daily races, going nowhere, going nowhere. Their tears are filling.
Here I am, stuck at the Florida Turnpike. It's been over an hour. Solo, barely any reception, plans ruined, missed dinner. Oh, the humanity. When life throws us a curveball, or in this case, a roadblock, these situations can serve as a reminder to take a breather, to stop and smell the roses.
The dreams in which I'm dying are the best I've ever had. Find it hard to tell.
It can feel eerie to walk around a highway with a mile of cars at a standstill, but this is actually pretty cool.
It's a very, very mad world. Mad world.
My only regret is not having a soccer ball with me, or perhaps a beach chair, or a cooler full of beers. One of these items is a joke. Be like the water. Take the shape of the situation. It's a free time to observe, to think, play loud music, and if you're into, admire a really good sunset. I'm a glass half full kind of guy, but sometimes I wake up on the wrong side of bed. I worry about us heading towards a mad world. Stuck in the TikTok black hole, sanding off our fingers swiping, putting up a fake life on the gram, stuck on the hustle grind, lighting up our calendars like a Christmas tree. But let's not veer off. Our daily grind, routines, hopes and dreams can trap us and make us forget why we're here on this planet. To feel it, to live it, and experience it. And as Greta would remind us, to protect it. Do we have our priorities all messed up? Do we value things that go against what it means to be human? As odd as it may seem, we're all cozy here. But out there, even in the darkest corners of the world, people are still loving, still living. With all that said, enough of that sappy rant. As Tom Petty said, let's turn the radio loud.
Now you put water into a cup, it becomes the cup. You put water into a bottle, it becomes the bottle. You put it in a teapot, it becomes the teapot. Now water can flow or it can crash. Be water, my friend.